Welcome today. We are diving into WordPress hooks and filters. These tools let you customize WordPress without altering its core files, making it essential for anyone looking to extend functionality or modify WordPress behavior. So, what are WordPress hooks? Hooks allow you to customize or add functionality to WordPress. For example, imagine you want to automatically display a message on every blog post. Instead of editing each post, you can use a hook to add the message site-wide. There are two types of hooks, action hooks and filter hooks. We will learn about those in the upcoming slides. What are action hooks? Action hooks let you execute custom code at specific points. For instance, if you want to add Google Analytics to your site, you can use the WP head hook to insert the tracking code into your site's header. This way, the code is automatically included on every page. So what are filter hooks? Filter hooks modify data before it's displayed. Let's say you want to change the default excerpt length on a blog post. Instead of editing the theme files directly, you can use the excerpt length filter to set a custom length, making updates easier to manage. Difference between actions and filters. Think of actions as tasks and filters as editors. For example, if you want to send a custom email notification when a new user registers, use an action hook like user register. But if you want to modify the email content, you will use a filter hook instead. How to use hooks in WordPress? To use hooks effectively, first identify where you want to add functionality or modify data. Then create a custom function to handle the logic. Finally, attach it with add action or add filter. For example, you might add a welcome message after user login by hooking into the WP login action. Here are some popular WordPress hooks. Some common hooks are WP footer for adding code to the footer area, like live chat scripts, and WP enqueue scripts to manage styles and scripts. For instance, if you want to load a JavaScript library in a specific page, use WP enqueue scripts to enqueue it conditionally. Creating custom hooks. Creating custom hooks is great when building themes or plugins. For example, if you are developing a plugin that sends out an email when a new post is published, you can use do action to create a custom hook for users to modify the email content or add additional recipients. In summary, hooks and filters allow you to efficiently customize and extend WordPress functionality. And this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we'll walk through live examples and apply these concepts step by step. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Be sure to check the WordPress Codex for more examples and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.